What's up? Back at it again. We're back out here working on the 65. Every chance I get, I'm gonna try to get back on it. I'm gonna try to get the bearings and stuff all installed, the hub on. I'm gonna try to get the rotor. Sorry, excuse me. I'm gonna try to get the brake and caliper on both sides. I'm still waiting on my pitman arm and idler arm. That way I can do my tie rods and tire and stuff. I still haven't got my shock, so I have to do a little at a time until I get everything. But here we go. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and try to get this backing plate put on here. Hope everybody's had a good weekend. It's been nice. Kind of warm. If you hadn't had a chance, slide on over to my Super Clean giveaway video. I'm going to be giving away a box of products from Super Clean, and head on over there and subscribe and like and share it. That way we can get it out and help me grow my channel. This is still all CPP products I'm using. No, I'm not sponsored by them, and I'm not supported by them or whatever, but I just like their products. I know it's not looking like I'm getting very much done at a time. I don't have a lot of time to work on this truck, so I can work on it when I can. But at least I am out doing something. I'm gonna set this down here while I pack the bearings. Hope you enjoy these pink colored gloves. That's all I had. To be honest with you, I don't like having grease all over me. This kit comes with everything you need, but Let me get a towel and clean that out right fast. Be right back. I'm just putting some brake clean on a little shop towel. I'm gonna clean this race. I don't know if you can see me or not. Let me move you over here. Got some high temp grease here. I'm gonna pack these bearings. Alright, finally got the center cap on there. Sheath, dust cap, whatever you want to call it. See which one we got here. Remember, your bleeder always goes up or you never get it bled. I'm gonna have to go find some hex bits. So I will be right back. Alrighty. Like I say, remember your bleeder always goes to the top. There we go, ain't that sweet. Sorry if my videos ain't very entertaining or comical or whatever you want to say them or whatever, but man, I'm just really starting, really getting into it, but just bear with me. Give me time to learn and grow, and got to get your feet wet sometime or another. So I'm gonna leave this stuff covered up until I get ready to put. Well, I ain't done my brake booster right yet, but until I get ready to install my lines and stuff, because I don't want nothing to get inside of there. I mean, there you have it right there on this side. Let me bring you over here. Sorry. I'm gonna go over and alright, let's go ahead and get this passenger side knocked out. I was just sticking around and watching this stuff. At the end of this video, when I get this all done, I'll stick one of my new wheels on there that I plan on running on this truck and let y'all see, and y'all comment and tell me what you think about it. I didn't go with nothing too, well, I don't know how it's too fancy, but I went with something I thought would look really good on here. I did go with 20s, I'll tell you that. Alright, go get some gloves and we'll start packing these bearings. Y'all give me some ideas on what I need to do, maybe to better my videos. I tried intros. I don't like them. To be honest with you, I don't like it. I'm just straight to the point person. But yeah, give me some ideas on what I can do to maybe get my videos more interesting to people. I know I need to talk, which I'm working on that. You know, that comes natural with some people, and some people it don't. So some people have a gift of gab. That's not me. This is kind of putting myself out there, and something I don't do very much. But like I said, at least I'm trying. And that's all that really matters. Alright, let's get this side put on there, and then we'll be done with this. Besides my shock, like I said, the pitman arm, inner and outer tie rod ends, and my steering box, well, whatever you want to call it. And then the front end will be done besides my motor mount and my transmission. Now then we could get ready to set the LS over in there. Jeez, it's not coming out. There it goes. It's been a little stubborn. Alright. I can get these set up here, right? There we go. There it is. I'll bring you back and I'll show you my new wheels and then we'll go from there. There you go. What do you think about that? I like them. They're 20-inch Koi C10 Rally XL wheel. I think they'll look pretty good on here. But once again, thanks everybody for watching, and thank you for subscribing and commenting. It really encourages me, and thank you so much. And until the next one, God bless you.